Hi there, my name is Franco Amoroso. I'm doing the SocraTech Bootcamp about full-stack web developer, and I will show you my first project. The project is about digital art, which allows you to add as many artists and artworks as you want. The main technologies I use are MySQL for the database. For the styles, I use SAS and Bootstrap, and the backend was made with Node.js and Express and some libraries which allows you manipulate the database. The database was made from scratch, and here you can see the passwords are encrypted. And I also did some fast design process where I did some research of the competition, and from that I was able to make some sketch and prototypes, and then to find a name, make a logotype, and I also did some default images, a couple of icons, and the fave icon. So now we will see the app. Okay, this is the main page where we can see the list of all the artists in alphabetical order. Every artist has their own information and a picture. If they doesn't have a picture, we will see the default picture like this one. And if we want to see the artwork of them, we can click on them, like in T-Killer, for example. Now we are in the T-Killer profile with a header and a background, and we can see the basic information of her. And then we have the list with all the work we have of her. Every piece of art has their own information, and we can edit and delete them. If we want to go back to the main page, we have two options. We can click on Go Home, or we can click on the logotype. Okay, now I'm going to add a new artist. So I'm going to join and complete the form. The avatar is not required because we have the default picture. And here, of course, the password and email are required. But if I write an exist email in the database, I will have an alert. Account already exists, so I have to choose another one. If I don't put the email, it will ask me to complete the field, of course. So now the new artist is already created in the database, but now we have the option to log in with that account. This page of login is the same one to click on login in the navbar. Here, same thing. If I write wrong the email, I will have the alert of email doesn't match. If I write wrong the password, we have another alert, wrong password. Okay, so I will do it okay this time. So now we are in, and we will see Mike in the list here with the default picture and the information. And on the top, on the navbar, we can see the welcome Mike and logout. If I click on logout, we are not anymore in the Mike account, so we can log in again. And we can go to Mike profile in welcome Mike. This profile is the same than the other, but with the difference that we have two new options, like edit profile and delete account. And because Mike doesn't have any picture yet, we have a message, time to upload something cool, to invite you to upload some pictures of Mike work. So we will edit a Mike profile. Now the form is already complete with the Mike's information. So for example, I will change the surname. I accept that, and the name is changed. What happens if I want to change the password? We have another option, more safety, in another page where we can change the password. But for example, if I write wrong the current password, we will have an alert, incorrect password, or maybe the new password doesn't match. I will do it okay this time with the new password, and we are back to Mike's profile. If I want to delete Mike's profile, I can do it in clicking on delete account. I'm alright with that. Accept. And now Mike is not anymore in the list. Okay, now I'm going to add a new artwork, clicking on the plus on the top of the screen. Here we have the new form where I will write the title, and I have to choose the artist who made that piece of art. So, for example, Amber. Description. In this case, the picture is required. Choose the picture and add. Now, the spaceship picture is in the Amber's profile, and we can edit the information. Same form with the picture's information. And for example, I will change the description. Update. Now the description is changed. I also can change the artist. So maybe I was wrong, and it should be of Tisha. Update. And now we are in the Tisha's profile, and the picture is here in the bottom. If I want to delete it, I can do it here, clicking on delete, accept, and now the image disappears. Now in the footer, we have the email icon, which has a new form. And because I'm using an IPA, we can send actually an email to my email address. So if I click on submit, the IPA is running and the email is in my address for sure. So then we go back and we are in the home page again. Finally, this is the mobile version, which it has a drop-down icon for the menu. The footer is static, and then you can scroll down all the artists or maybe the artworks in the profile page. The forms are also in vertical version, and if the form is too long, like the join form, it also has a scroll. So that's it. I will leave you a short video, and thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.